In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Notifications and Status bar. Now click on Manage All over here, and before doing anything, tap on Most Recent. This way you can sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, or all of your apps in alphabetical order. You can also click on the search bar, type in any app you wish, and find it this way. Either way, when you're ready, use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, if you want to, you can also go back, pick an app from here, and block or unblock app notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. But also check out all of those settings available for your app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!